the galaxies hide some of the greatest mysteries of the universe and someday could provide more accurate information about how our cosmos evolved in the last 13.8 billion years. Distant worlds vary in many ways, but for the first time, astronomers have discovered something common in them: their rotational behavior. Scientists at the International Radio Astronomy Research Center have discovered that all galaxies, from small irregular dwarfs to larger spirals, behave like clocks and take about 1 billion years to complete a single turn. "It's not the precision of the Swiss watch," Professor Gerhardt Meurer said from the center in a statement. "But regardless of whether a galaxy is very large or very small, if you could sit on the extreme edge of your disk while it rotates, it would take you around 1 billion years to travel all the way." The group made the discovery after establishing a direct relationship between the size and average interior density of galaxies with sophisticated calculations. They discovered that if the size of two galaxies is the same, their inner density will also be similar. You will not find a dense galaxy spinning rapidly, while another with the same size but with a lower density rotates more slowly, Meurer added. In addition, the researchers also witnessed the presence of old stars at the far end of the galactic disks. Scientists expected to see baby stars and clouds of interstellar gas in those regions, but they were surprised by older stars. According to the group, the discovery confirmed that it was the line of arrival of those particular galaxies,